Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Fabric from Syria, Jordan, and Palestine.
Sweet and
The best quality
delicious
for your wife,
oranges.
for your mother.
Aga, what was the officer doing here?
He wanted to buy some of our precious books at a great price from me. Inshallah, he can learn from them.
If that were the case, I would buy all the books for them. But in reality, some of these British embassy officers are trying to purchase and dispose of our rare books, even using the pages to wrap around their products. Please tell me the prices of the books he wants.
Are you sure? It was a lot of money. He offered 750 rials for this book alone.
I'm sure. I don't have anything right now, but I will pay you in a few days. Keep the books for now, but promise you won't sell them until I return.
Just as promised, here's your book.
Thank you, Aga. How much for these books?
Oh, those will be much more than 750.
By working hard, taking on extra jobs, and often eating only one meal a day, Ayatollah Marashi saved hundreds of rare books from political groups who wanted to destroy them. His library grew and grew until it became the Ayatollah Marashi Najafi Library in Qom, now the third largest Islamic library in the world, established in 1889. Such was his love for knowledge that in his will, Ayatollah Marashi requested,
Bury me at the entrance of the library, so that the feet of the researchers of Islamic sciences step beside my grave.
and so he rests at the entrance of his beloved library in Qom.